Be short in seconds, say what matters. India buys record Argentine soy oil volume after export duty scrapped. India made a sweeping purchase of 300,000 metric tons of soy oil from Argentina over 2 days after Buenos Aires temporarily scrapped export taxes on soy and culinary oils, sources said on 25 September 2025. This is the largest 2-day soy oil import ever recorded by India. The shipments are slated to arrive between October and March. Argentina's decision to remove export duties, which had made its soy and derivatives more expensive overseas, allowed its soy oil to be priced $50 cheaper per ton (CIF) in some markets, making it more competitive than palm oil, which India traditionally imports from Indonesia and Malaysia. This sudden price advantage spurred India's demand surge. India is the world's largest vegetable oil importer, and before this move, India's monthly soy oil imports had already fallen significantly in August, over 25% down to 367,917 tons, even as overall vegetable oil imports rose 4.7% to 1.62 million tons. The current purchase reflects both opportunistic sourcing and the Indian edible oil sector's push to reduce costs during the festive season, when consumption of oils for sweets and fried foods peaks. While importers and oil companies celebrate this win in pricing, analysts caution about storage, logistics, and ensuring consistent quality. Sudden bulk arrivals might strain port capacity and storage infrastructure. Moreover, to sustain cost advantage, India needs to monitor exchange rate movements, shipping costs, and any potential reinstatement of export levies by Argentina. In short, the deal is a tactical win, but one that requires execution discipline to translate into lower prices for Indian consumers. Source: Reuters. That's it for today. Keep watching BizShort for instant business headlines.